Hi, I'm Katrina,
Hello there, I'm Sam.
and together we are the faces of the Fabric ReStore, a certified social enterprise built for purpose.
So our that purpose is really about keeping fabric out of landfill. But Katrina, tell me more about how it all came to be.
So a few years ago, I received three donations from deceased estates, from people that just knew what I was doing, keeping textiles out of landfill through another fitting connection. And I thought, if this is just happening to the people that know me, what's happening to the rest of Melbourne? So I collected, I stored, and we created the Fabric ReStore.
So we started in Ivanhoe, we're now in Eaglemont, but really what we've found is that even though we've expanded our space, we need some help to keep doing what we're doing. And that is, we need to be able to keep taking donations, and to do that we need some storage space. We need space to be able to sort through those donations.
Because when those donations come in, they're carloads, they're truckloads, and it's often too much for us to take in all at once.
And because we can't sort through them as they're donated, we also need some capacity to make sure that we're responsibly recycling any unusual, no, we like unusual, but unusable pieces of fabric, because we are committed to not having that go into landfill, even if it is scraps and bits and pieces that we can't put on the shelves. So that's our story and why we need some help.